maraming pwedeng gawin.
This could be the part 5. So they are Miles, Sangoyo, and Vanessa Tria. They are the one who made these masterpieces. Wonderful.
Paano naman
See those guys? Amazing.
Alam mo naman gawa. Yes, kasi original na.
Kahit nga pa yung makita talaga sa kasi kahit kami pa yung gumawa ng first edition.
So let's check this in here. We might miss something or lots. Oh, there's still a Imayon volcano. Gosh, the famous one, the perfect cone. Wow. My oh my. See those? Enjoy your bold eyes, guys and girls. If you can do it also, guys, why not show it? The Lion King. We missed something? I think this one. Okay. Oh gosh. So we're still on part 5. I hope you like it, guys and gals. Take time, don't make some fast forward. Okay. So what else? I think that would be all. We're finished for this one. How about in here? You already done in here. And check this place. So here in here, they also have like this. And there's Snow White. Oh gosh, so cute. Amazing. So you can still check this one, guys and girls. Sad to say, but this could be their last day. When will be your next exhibit?
April po sa Ali Mall.
Ali Mall. So please invite them.
Yes, visit us at Ali Mall sa activity area po near Jollibee.
Thank you so much. You are Sir
Jaime po.
Sir Jaime. Thank you. See that?
This is my
So that would be all for now, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Godspeed. Take one last look. Bye for now.